Here we are at Terrigal Beach. We all know it for its fine cuisine, cafes, fish and chips, great swimming, good little point for surfing, and of course, fishing. And that's why I'm here today, to get out and collect some fillets and ensure that I've got some food for the girls at home on the plate. And with the prices of fillets at the moment at the co-op, you just got to get out there and catch your own fish. So today I'm just going to make an attempt to jump aboard, cruise out past the little rock wall here on the right out of the haven, and hopefully get myself some either pearl perch, drag or snapper. The cruise out was literally in 36 metres, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day, calm seas. So I was pretty happy about how it was going to start out. Tide change was coming up in the hour. So here we go. Welcome back to Reel to Mill. We're back out in the shallow reefs off Terrigal Haven. It's another glorious day. We've just got a slight southwesterly, predicted northeasterly breeze, about 12 k's an hour, not too bad. Spot locking on some ground. We've got a bit of fluff down the bottom. So we're going to go for either snapper or some pearl perch again, in the hope that we go home with another couple of fillets. Because I tell you what, those pearl perch on the plate, magic. Let's get going. Okay, we're dropping down the Temu 4.3 gram, I think it is. It's quite small. Takes about 2 minutes to get down through the 36 meters of water. But as soon as it hits the bottom, it goes off. It's running a bait caster from Veritas, and I'm running 40-pound line. It's about 1.5 meters that trace, so I'm going to roll it right up current, or down, that's what I should say, down current, and give it a couple of minutes. I'm just doing a little jig off the bottom, try and tempt the pearl perch or snapper to come up. Well, it didn't take long. As soon as it hit the bottom, after about 4 or 5 jigs, off she went. The fight was pretty minimal, to say the least, but good fun. And I was pretty happy with that result. First drop pearl perch, we'll take it. Not overly big, around that sort of 40 centimetre mark, but perfectly legal over 30. Spot lock. Let's see, I don't know, it might even be just a small one. 30 centimetres being the minimum. It's coming up way too easy. Way too easy. It's got a bit of bounce to it now. I think it's woken up. Oh no, nothing like it. Tell you what, it's a pretty fish though. What, fought different. Come across some reef, it's obviously holding a few leather jackets. Beautiful. All the beautiful colours on that. Oh no, but there you go. She's taken that lure right in the corner of the mouth there. I absolutely love these. Beautiful colours. Just another small fish, I think. Just a sargie. Keen as mustard, as they say. She's head shakes. I mean, it's not that big, but it's bumping the end of that fishing rod. Just had a storm come through, so it's really calm now. Well, usually they don't bite after a storm, but just before. A lot of bait down there though, so they'll probably come out for a bit of a look. Oh, it's given up, that's not good. Oh, wow, drag. Lovely. Oh, well, that's a welcome little fish. That is going to be a nice meal. Crispy fillets again. 50, probably 54. Beautiful. Go back and see what's down there. A bit more coming through now. That's trag on the bottom there. Let's have a look. The vibe's just gone off again. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, it's going to be a net job, that one. Whoa, traggy on a metal vibe. I am so glad I got that net. I was just sitting on that. There we go. Another one, another beauty. And that one is 52. Another nice one for the kitty. Woo. On the metal vibe. Crazy. Just sitting there. I wasn't even fighting with it. Just sat it in the rod holder and it jumped on. Trag just came in on a little 4.3, I think, gram. I don't know what it is, but a nice striped blade, twin trebles on 40-pound leader. I may as well throw it back out. Again, it's just sitting there. I don't know. I don't think this is a trag. It's not fighting anything like the last one. It's quite dull weight. Yeah, it'll be very. Oh, weight's getting bigger. It's not running. Again, it's on that little vibe. Ugh. The other one's just going down with more fresh bait. I had this vibe back out, just floating in the rod holder. A couple of metres off the bottom. Alright. It's all good. Bucket mouth. That's a good one. Scorpion fish, aka red rock. Very, very spiny and very, very painful if you get one of them in you. They're beautiful white meat. And that's actually quite a good one. That's not for me. Wolfgar. Yeah. Get that sorted out and throw it back down again. It could be a trag. The bait I just threw out, again, I didn't even know it went off when I was putting that rock cod back. Jeez, it must be tide change. After the storm fished, one after the other, every drop. Getting a fish. Just put a new hook on this one because it broke off the last one, so I'm guessing something bit it. Just sitting on it, they're not running. If it's a trag, it's unusual. Just give it a bit of a bite. Well, another trag. Beautiful. First drop on the new hook setup. There we go, it's number 3. So I'm just vacuum sealing all these lovely fillets that will be. The cost of feeding the family with seafood at the moment, nah. I mean, down in Victoria, they're charging you $112 a kilo for King George whiting. In WA, the dewfish, it's $180 something a kilo. So that's going to be our meal. Little red Kmart 4.0 hook. Shake. Straight down. Okay. This one's probably that sort of mid-40s. Perhaps. Just going to have a little look. 47, 48. So your trag, difference to the jewfish, the black one, just a jewfish, mulloway. See how orange the mouth is there. Also the retail's a bit different too. Still very good eating, not soapy flavour either. Let's put her in the keeper. Oh no, there's a double hook up. Okay, the trag has just come back through and I think I'm going to lose one fish, but I've got the vibe out. It's just sitting in the rod holder. I watched it bounce and just struck, and I think the other one's trying to get taken as well, the bait. I'm going to have to start heading in because it's school pickup. I'm really impressed with this little Temu vibe. Got a pack of, that's not actually anything special again. A pack of 8 for, I think about $11. What do you reckon? It's the same fish as I caught before. I'll quickly get rid of this. I'm just going to check that. It may have already taken the bait. Not sure. It's taken the bait, so I'll get one more bait out and then we'll fly in and do the afternoon shift. Okay, last bait, just a single hook, paternoster, short trace, and cast that out. Take about a minute to get down. It's right on tide chains, that's why we're getting all those bites. To have a look. So tide will now start running in. sit in the roddy. One more cast with our faithful. One more time, you can see it's striped. It's about the fourth outing I've had with the water snake geospike, the 65 pound with 60-inch shaft, so it's good for the ocean. It gets a bit deeper than 54-inch. It doesn't bob up and down and splash around. Yeah, fourth outing. It's breeding on the 12.2 volts. I don't know if you can see that. That's the fourth day. It starts on 13.4 volts. Amazing. Very economical on a 120 lithium battery. Might be a rock cod again. Just those little hops off the bottom, just get the vibration happening in that lure, and it just picks up fish. It's really, really good. You haven't got any bait, which I didn't. I came out without it. I caught a yanker on it, and then I started from there. But it was still catching fish. I think it's just a little rock cod again. Not doing anything. The last time I put this down though. Dear Lucy. Why not? Sergeant Baper to treble work. Okay, away it goes into the holder for the trip in, and that's going to go off, I think. Just as I pack this one away. Oh, that was a good fish. I think I lost it. Struck up at the wrong angle. Yeah, it's gone. All right. We'll call it. Appreciate you tuning in to the end. Yeah, I'll go and do a bit of a little cook up with these fish. We'll vacuum seal them, put them away in the freezer. That was a good fish. Gonski. Different coloured eyes with that. It's got a light colour. Might be a female. Not sure how they determine that, but got my little leathery. Love these. These are good eating, unreal eating, as everyone knows. Chicken of the sea. To top it off with a nice pearl perch. All right, it's been a good day out. Bit of a storm come through, but didn't worry me too much. I'm only literally 3 minutes out from the boat ramp, so that's good.
As I was cruising back in the 3-minute drive, I was just wondering to myself how my catch rate has improved immensely with having the front electric trolling motor on the bow, just to help out with anchoring right as you see the bait balls going through. It's a game changer. So I really recommend anyone else to have a go putting one of these on your boat.
are in the kitchen and 4 fish are ready to be filleted up. I've done the leather jacket at the boat ramp. That's just a quick fry, shallow fry. I've got the vacuum seal machine with some bags ready to go. So once I am done, I'm going to be putting, obviously, all these fillets. I'll split them down and we'll put them into those freezer bags. So the perch I will cook up tonight. I'm going to use the flouring technique and I will be shallow frying in bran oil, and I won't put the seasoning on until near the end. So we've got your sage, your ginger, your coriander, a bit of kosher salt, some black peppercorns, and some good quality soy. I'll fry up some brie in the oil that the fish has cooked in. I'll do the brown rice and just garnish it with some spring onion and a bit of lemon. So that'll be tonight's dinner. As for the Terrigal, aka trag, I'll just knock the fillets off them and put them into the cryovac, the vacuum seal machine, into those bags and put them in the freezer for another day. So I'll get cutting these up and we'll crack on. Making sure that our knife is nice and sharp, and the reason they call these a pearl perch is right there, a little bit of pearl. I think I like these better than snapper. Everyone's got their opinion, but it's just such a nice flavour. Absolutely adorable on the palate. Really nice flesh. You can see, just that opaque pink. Section that off there. I'm not even going to debone it, to be honest, because I just love the whole thing. There's only a couple of little bones in there, so I'm not going to worry. Skin on, nice and crispy once we flour it and put it into the hot bran oil. There. Beautiful. Once again, I'll just take that little end bone piece out. These are good size trag, just to get some fillets off of them. Nice and easy to clean up. There we go. They're a bit pinkish. They will come to a nice white fillet fairly quickly on the fry in that bran oil. Usually 6 minutes is probably enough because they're not that thick like a mulloway. It's so easy to get ready. There you go. So that there is your beautiful trag fillets. Got the cryovac machine ready. I now have all the fish ready in the vacuum bags. So pretty simple. Got a feature on here that does the vacuum and seal at the same time. We've all used them. Do it there. And seal. Lights off. And first one. Perfect. Ready for the freezer. Ready in the freezer for our meals with whatever we want to put with it. Maybe some onion and potato, sweet potato, whatever, veggies. All right, let's get cracking on to the cook. Time to quickly cook up these fillets. So a bit of brand oil, 3 to 4 mil on the bottom there, that's enough. There we go. Swishy swishy, we'll get that heated right up. And I've just got the flour in here. Just flour up the fillets. So this is the pearl perch, by the way. Okay, that's ready. So I have my soy sauce and my ginger, all ground, a bit of sage, coriander leaves, some cracked pepper, and some kosher salt or sea salt. I'm going to use a spring onion test in the oil once I know it's hot enough. Alright, we are ready to go. That onion is sizzling away, that little spring onion test. Sizzle, sizzle. Brand oil has a high smoke point, which is great for cooking fish fillets, so that's what I use. I immediately just push down, try and keep this flat so the skin doesn't fold and turn it into a squid. Okay, so while it's doing that, this is our rice. It goes in for about 2 or 3 minutes. It might be 3. Crack that. So I'm going to put the brie in the oil afterwards to cook that up. But then I'll add on the plate when the fillets are done, the shallots. I'll pour this over, just not too much soy, it is strong. Starting to look a bit opaque there now, white flesh. One failed. Alright. Definitely cooked. It's done, that cooking on that side. I'll give that another probably 1.5 minutes. And that is actually the fish is done. Doesn't take very long. So we'll get this cranking, get the rice on. Believe it or not, that's probably just about done. That's how I like it anyway, because we'll continue cooking. So we'll turn that off. Right. I'm just going to do the the brie now. Make that a pile. I've actually added the coriander, the ginger, and the sage already to the top of the fish. Such white flesh. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not. It is beautiful. So tasty. Oh, it smells amazing. It's alright, let's get this back on. It's hot as on the stove top. This literally takes 30 seconds. See it bubbling away there, it's cooked up, and that is pretty much it. Let's plate it up. Put the spring onion on here now. A little bit of soy. Like I said, not too much. That'll be enough. Squeeze a lemon. Oh! Need a beverage. There we go. One of those cheapies. Anyway, alright, so cracked pepper and a bit of salt. Just a pinch. Alright, and squeeze a lemon. I reckon we're good. Get out to your local grounds, guys. This fresh seafood doesn't get any better. You're paying over the top prices for it at the moment. Oh wow. But here we are enjoying it. Straight from the ocean to the plate. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy that. There you go. Pearl perch on the plate. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch up on the next YouTube adventure. And yeah, remember, tight lines. Be safe. See ya.